Good afternoon, We Repair. So today I am just doing a really easy job. I am changing the main body on a Dyson Hoover. Really simple. I've got a genuine Dyson part here as well, as part of one of their kits. There's a couple of ways you can do it. I'll show you the proper Dyson way of doing it, but you can take all of this apart and get to it in another fashion. So we are going to do this super quick. The only things that you will need are the kit itself and a screwdriver, which I stupidly don't have ready, so I will just grab that. And then, yeah, it's a real pop-out, pop-in job. So, first thing we would do, get this battery out. Actually, we'll remove the plastic first. So we'll get that done. So again, if you know how to do these Dysons, they're really simple. So push down the red tab, push down again. The whole thing should pull away, a bit like that. Normally there would be a screw in here and there'll be a screw back here to remove the battery. I've had this out before and we've lost a screw at some point, so we've only got one in ours, which is absolutely fine. So just remove your two screws if you've got two, like mine, which I haven't. There's our screw and the battery's just pulled away. Okay, so the Dyson ones come with a handy dandy tool to take this bit off. So you literally grab this, push it straight down in here, and you're aiming for the two little white clips at the bottom, which are hard to show you on camera, and just keep pushing down, and it should hopefully release the catches and pull away. It doesn't always want to, but it will go. Get that to come out. You do have to use quite a lot of force. There we go. So like that, and it will come away. There's no damage to this, and you can see the little tool now pushing those two little plastic clips together, just like that. As I say, you have to use quite a lot of force, but you won't damage it. So that's that taken off. My other unit I have here. So we'll just pop this back piece on the right way, get our tool back into place to push those clips together again, and then again you do need to use a good amount of force to do this, and it should just go back in, he says. There we go. So as I say, you have to use quite a lot of force, and then the tool should just pull away. That doesn't want to do it today either, just like that. And then battery back in. Just say if you've got two screws, do your two screws. I obviously, as I said earlier, have successfully lost one, so just screw that back in, just like that. And then with the Hoover, line the notch up at the front with the notch in the plastic bit, just like that, and then the whole piece should just push down into place in theory, just like that. And there we are, reassembly done. So that is how to change a whole, I don't know if you call mid housing assembly, mid frame, something like that, on a Dyson Hoover. You can buy it as a service kit. This part was about 30 quid on eBay, sorry, on Amazon even, not on eBay. And that came with the little spannery thing, all the screws, the part, all as one thing. So that would be my recommended thing for you guys if you're going to go out and buy them. As a really simple process. That took me all of 5 minutes to replace that mid part. Anyway, if you found the video useful, drop me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe, ask any questions. I do try and come back to as much as I can, and I will reply to you, hopefully when I got 5 minutes, which is seemingly less and less these days. But yeah, otherwise I shall see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.